In this video, I'm going to walk through how to control where the line breaks are placed in a cell in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. Here's an example. We have the words state or province in cell A1 that are too long to display. We could right-click cell A1, select Format Cells, and then select Wrap Text. The line breaks will be put in the cell automatically. Rather than right-clicking and using the line wrap, we can control where the line breaks appear by using the key combination of Alt-Enter wherever we want a line break to appear. Here, I used Alt-Enter after state and after or. Now we have controlled exactly where the line breaks appear in the cell. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.